Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Muli ako si Emmanuel o Alejandre. Ito ang aking daily devotion ngayong December 6. And for today, ating pag-uusapan kung ano ba ang apelyido ni Jesus. Now, there are many aliases or names of God, or Jesus rather, but this is probably one of his most prominent, most well-known aliases, and that is Jesus the Messiah. Now, Jesus as the Messiah means He is God's anointed Savior. Kumbaga, siya yung iniatas ng Panginoon upang maligtas tayo. The one promised through the prophets to rescue, restore, and reign. Una, rescue us from danger. Pangalawa, restore our connection with God and reign over every living being. Now, Jesus fulfills Israel's long-awaited hope through his life, death, and resurrection. And his messianic mission is God's sovereign plan accomplished with certainty, securing redemption for all whom the Father has given him. Now, sabi nga po sa Matthew chapter 16 verse 16, Simon Peter answered, "You are the Messiah, the Son of the living God." Now, to give a bit of context dito sa verse na to, ang nangyayari dito is tinanong ni Jesus kung sino ba siya sa kanyang mga disipulo, and that is what Simon Peter said. He boldly, proudly, confidently claimed that Jesus is the Messiah. And now, as the Messiah, Jesus is the promised King na kung saan maghahari sa lahat. And this is of certainty. Mangyayari po talaga ito. Actually, it's happening now. Jesus will always and forever be King of Kings. And aside from him being a king, he is also a suffering servant. Hindi lang servant, no? Suffering servant. So yung king, naging servant din. Parang ang hirap hawakan, ang hirap intindihin yung concept na yun. Pero yun yung ginawa ng Panginoon para sa iyo. He showed true humility na isa siyang hari. Nandito siya. Pero he is willing to step down to serve you, to serve the people. We don't deserve that, but God did it. God did it for us because He loved us. Therefore, put your faith, put your trust that the Messiah will fix the broken world. The world as it is now is very corrupted. Yung ating mundo, napakaraming kasalanan, napakaraming evil. But, through the Messiah, everything will be restored, will be renewed, and will definitely be holy. So aspire to become a radical disciple of King Jesus. Yung Panginoon, nagpakumbaba para sa iyo. Jesus spilled His blood for our salvation. When we should spread that word, we should follow His teachings. For our life is not ours to live. It is for Jesus and Him alone. So believe that Jesus is in charge of all creation. Huwag ka pong magpalinlang sa mga taong merong quote-unquote power. Dahil ang tanging tao lang po, naging tao, pero God, na merong tutunay na power, ay si Jesus. So come to Jesus and let Him fix your brokenness. Be an example. Be a model for everyone to influence. And in that way, you will give glory and honor to God. Yan naman po ang aking daily devotion. Hopefully, marami kayong natutunan. And see you tomorrow.